Ashwini, I think you made a mistake because this, I think you changed the header, and you have to be very careful when you change the header because it will change in all places. What I said for these pages is we don't need the header at all. If you look at what you have done, and this is what you need to become careful about, is you change the header in all places. That means even when someone comes to a home page, they will see this, and this makes no sense, right? And it is calling as career fitness. This is not correct. So you need to be aware of what you're doing and what is the implications of it. And I've already told what to be done, right? So basically, if you go to mm, if you go to the right page, you just have to change the setting, and if it requires you brush up Elementor, go through some of the training videos to understand what we did, how we did, so that you don't make mistakes like this, because people are still coming and taking the test, and we don't want them to feel that we are some unprofessional website. Okay, I'm just being frank, and I hope you'll take the feedback the right way. So we don't want to be making mistakes like this because so if you go to templates in builder header. And the problem would be that you may have changed the actual header itself, right? You would want to create a new header and change it, not change the existing one. So what is this? So you have changed the existing header which was there before. So if you do that, then there is no way of recovering the previous one, right? So here there was a navigation. I think you need to put the nav menu and main. Okay, now that navigation has come in. I'm going to update. So this will be the top menu bar as it's supposed to be. Let's change the color to black and update. So this is how the home page menu bar should be, and it should not be tampered with. And you can see for this there is display conditions. You need to remember this. This when this display condition says it is included for the entire site, that will apply for the entire site. So if you change it, entire site will have this menu bar. If you have forgotten, go, you have to brush up how this works. Second, now if I come back to the pages that you have created, the only thing you need to do is, so now you see this menu bar. Okay, now we don't want this, and hence you go with edit with Elementor. Oh God, it's so slow. Okay, let's see if we can edit. Okay, this page I don't see anything here. Let's open something else. Maybe this one. This is the other. Maybe let's open. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now, what I want is if you go to edit with Elementor, so you can see this, right? You have seen see this header. We don't need the header on this page. That means you go to this gear icon here and say page layout, change it to Elementor canvas. So if you had searched online as how to apply this or whatever, if you had gone through any of the previous tutorials that you got trained on initially, you would have seen that the header is gone for this page, and that is what we want. And we now have to change this layout to match the 5 topics I have given. So the five topics are these. Right now what you need to do is this. I want you to understand the requirement or ask me if you don't understand. I don't want you to do it if you don't understand. Whatever be the case, even if you say that, okay, I'm going to waste one day, let that day go. If I'm not available, if my explanation is not good enough, you have to ask me again and again. Doesn't matter. Only after understanding you need to do it. Okay. Now what I need is, what I have in harishmarna.com is a totally different program. It is called Private Career Coaching. And those are the six messages that I sent to you. Where, so if you see this, this was sent to a customer, which I forwarded to you. Like this, we need to create for Dr. Brand Club. The content will be totally different. The audience is totally different. The ones that we have in harishmarna.com was focused on working professionals. The one that we are creating in Dr. Brand Club is focused on dentist. So content will change, everything will change, but the framework remains the same. So what I want is a five-part series. Three challenges is the first video. Building a biggest competitive advantage is the second. Third is the creating perfect value for trust. Fourth, attract and create patients on demand. Um, okay, so fifth, make the best possible branding start. Okay, so we need to create this, and I want those five videos to appear below, one after the other. Headings will all be different, and the images will be different. So where would you go for the images? You'll go to Canva and you go to the right templates which I have shared with you, I think, or I'll show it here again. Here, I think you have created a copy of it, which is good. Now, if you ignore the first few ones, go to the bottom few ones. So I don't know if it makes sense what we are doing here. Okay, all the images, I think the images, not this here. Okay, so these images make it very big and bulky. Let's go back. Seoul. I think this is the one, is it? I don't know who created this. Maybe three problem 20. This is the one which is not to be used because. Oh my god, I don't know where I kept it. Yeah, this one. Okay, so what I have done is I'll create a copy of it for you, and I will go up and where's that copy here. So I will say this is for Dr. Brand Club. If I edit this, so this is three challenges we are facing today. We can probably change it. And here you can see it is saying harishmana.com. We may have to use Dr. Brand Club. So this is an image. So we have to get the logo, the transparent one, upload it, and then change the backdrop. So each image has three variants or four variants actually. For the first one, we don't have one of the variants, but let's look at the other one. So you have first variant which is plain, second variant which is ticked, third variant which is locked, fourth variant says currently watching. So when someone comes here on different pages, you will see different. So we need to create four variants for each of the four videos. So the topic one is three big challenges for a dentist. We could look at using the same image or maybe using for now. Okay, let it be like this. Three big challenges you're facing today as a dentist. Three big challenges today for a dentist. Today for a dentist. Okay, so this same image has to be, same text has to go in for everything. So this is what I have done is it's an overlay thing. So if I move it, I can change it and then I can put it back. So we need to create these four variants. The and for each video we'll have a different thumbnail. So this will act as a thumbnail for the YouTube video also. But first thing is to get these pages right. So in here you can see this is the final video, because of which you will see all the ones have been ticked. We are using the ones which have been ticked. So they should feel like they are moving ahead. If you open a link which is slightly earlier, so let's open this, you will see that. So this is, this is the third video. I don't think this page is built yet. So if the third video, so if you look at the harishmarnad.com, this is not the, okay, let's go for chapter one. Okay, let's go for this. When they start off, they should feel that this is a course or a coaching session or a program that they are taking. Chapter 1. So you can see that the first text is bolded, that means they're watching this, and the one of the variant which is currently watching is being used here, and they see that the next ones have all been locked, they can't watch it, they can't click it. And then when I go to the next one, what will happen is currently watching will be ticked. The blue tick will come here, and this will be say currently watching, and this video will be related video. And then next, when they go to the next link, when we share the next link, that link will say there it will tick this and this, but it will say currently watching for this. When you go to next, three ticks, currently watching, two locks. But here there are six videos. But in Dr. Brand Club, we have five videos only. And hence, you need to edit the template to have only five elements here, not six. I hope you understand. So currently you can see this is all bold. We don't want it to be, I mean, only the one which is currently running has to be bold. Everything else has to have a font which is smaller in nature. Um, I don't know what font. So you need to check and change the font to make it. I think it's because of this H4. If you do P, it will go down, but I think we need to look at the right one to use, so that I think it's better to use the section here, and probably see what is being done on harishmanna.com. Okay, I hope you understand. Make sure that you do the changes as expected without the header. Maybe you can have a logo of Dr. Band Club here and the chapters. First, get the pages ready. Five pages, each page having one video. You can use existing video, which is fine. I mean, if you just create a version of the page, that would do. So basically we don't need one of the element here, so you can delete something like this and just have five sections, and this has to be in all five pages. The first page will have this as currently watching, everything else locked, and so on and so forth, which I've explained. So I'll just save this now, but I want this to be done today. And if you have any issues, give me a call message saying that I need your time to understand, and we will have the brief discussion to make you understand. But I have explained everything here which should make sense, but if it doesn't, it's okay. I'm happy to explain, and you understand and do it. Don't blindly change because there are implications of making those changes. Okay, thank you. Bye.